report for January 25th, 2018. We've had a very, very bullish market for the last 3 weeks. You can see how much it's rocketed up ever since the beginning of the year. We've even broken out of this longer term trend line right here. So you definitely want to be bullish right now. Next, we have the energy markets, XLE. So XLE had been rocketing up for the last month, 2 months here. And you can see we're quite overextended with no real significant pullbacks right into resistance here. So if you have any energy stocks, you definitely want to consider taking profits for now. We have the oil market, USO. So USO appears to have had formed a double bottom over the last 2 years with heavy volume here. So it looks like oil will continue up. We've already made some new recent all-time highs here. So we could expect the age of cheap oil to be over. This definitely looks like a long-term bullish sign. Lastly, we'll go over emerging markets, EEM. So EEM had a long-term channel here for the last year. Last month, it appeared to be breaking down, but the breakdown failed and it immediately rocketed up. We took about half of these profits in the ETF YINN, which is the China stock. Unfortunately, we didn't hold as long as we should have. It definitely went much higher than we thought. We got out around this period here. Next, we have 4 trades. Took 4 trades over the last few days. First one was RCL. So RCL, we had gone long quite some time ago. We went long on June 19th last year, and it took much longer to hit our target than we expected, but we decided, okay, we're just going to hold on and stay long. So you can see it's definitely going up. However, it seems to have tapered over the last few months, and this is why it took so long for it to hit our target. It was definitely changing. Now, our target was originally around 134.5 here, and you can see 2 months ago, we just barely missed our target, which is very, very unfortunate. But we decided to hold, and it looks still good. But we decided to lower our target. We lowered it to around 133.5-ish, 6-ish here. And it actually did hit our target eventually the same day anyway, so we probably shouldn't have lowered our target, but too late. We also had 2 dividends that we collected, one in September of 60 cents, and another one in December, another 60 cents for $1.20. So total profit on RCL would have been 18.8%. Next trade we took was IVC. We issued out an unusual alert yesterday morning because we're very bullish on IVC to go long at the open. And our highest price that we're willing to get in was $17.70, which was the lowest price of the day. It's very difficult to get in. Quite a few people didn't get filled just because it was so bullish and so many people trying to go long on IVC. Now, you definitely don't want to chase it now. It's a bit overextended. However, if we get any form of pullback, you could get in IVC. Next trade we took was UAA. So UAA looked like it was bottoming. We have a possible V bottom here with lots of volume. We even filled a gap, which is definitely a bullish sign. You can see this gap right here getting filled. We went long yesterday at the close right here. However, we are having some second thoughts after today's candle. It does look a little bearish, so unless it recovers pretty quick, we will probably issue a bailout alert. We'll just bail out at like 1, 2, or 3%. Very, very small insignificant loss. And then we'll just keep our eye on it and see if it changes direction later. Now, our last trade, possibly Swing Alpha's worst trade in the last 3 or 4 months, would be AG. So we had gone long AG at the close of yesterday's candle, and expectation will continue up. And what do we get? We got this huge sell-off bar, huge volume right here, and it stopped us out towards the end of the day. And we took a approximate 8% loss, maybe slightly more than 8% for some of you. We're not quite sure what happened on this trade. It definitely looks like some news event caused the sell-off, possibly the ECB. When the ECB made their announcement that they will not be raising interest rates in the near or even midterm future. Who knows? We will definitely re-enter the trade, however, if this trade does start to show some quick recovery and strength, but for now we're out of it. So that concludes our trade report for January 25th.